Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Ever struggle to get everyone on the same page when talking about data? One team calls it customer ID, another calls it custom, and suddenly everyone's confused. That's where a data dictionary comes to the rescue, turning messy terms into a single source of truth. Today, we're exploring Data Dictionary. This technique standardizes data definitions, formats, and rules, so everyone speaks the same data language. Let's look into this. Why does a data dictionary matter? Well, what's the point if your team is constantly guessing what a data field actually means? A data dictionary does three big things. It prevents miscommunication. Everyone knows exactly what start date or custom means. It supports accurate reporting. Your data becomes reliable, so every report reflects the same reality. And it reduces rework, no more fixing mistakes caused by misunderstood fields. It basically creates a single source of truth for your data, so teams can finally trust what they're working with. Why does this technique work so well? Because it creates one thing every project desperately needs: consistency. When every term, every data type, and every allowed value is clearly documented, a few powerful things happen. Everyone aligns. Developers, analysts, testers, even stakeholders are suddenly speaking the same language. Changes become easier to manage. Update a definition once, and you avoid breaking reports or systems down the line. And auditing becomes simpler. Regulators and internal teams can check definitions without digging through a dozen sources. That consistency is what makes the data dictionary such a reliable, high-impact technique. When should you use a data dictionary? Use it during system design or development. Define all your data before coding begins. Use it when integrating multiple systems. It keeps fields and formats aligned so nothing breaks. Use it for regulatory compliance. A dictionary ensures every mandatory field is captured and standardized. And use it in reporting and analytics projects. It guarantees consistent metrics and KPIs across teams. Basically, anytime your data is being touched by multiple people or multiple systems, a data dictionary is your best friend. How do you actually create a data dictionary? Start by identifying all data elements. List everything in systems, reports, and forms. Then define each element: name, clear description, data type, integer, string, date, allowed values, and source. Document relationships. Show how fields connect, for example, customer orders. Keep it accessible. Make the dictionary a living document everyone can reference. Tip: use a simple table template with columns like field name, definition, type, allowed values, and source. It's practical and keeps things real. Here's a real example. Imagine your organization uses a customer management system, and different teams rely on the same data for reports, forms, or analytics. Without a data dictionary, one team might call the customer ID custom, another uses customer ID, and suddenly integrations break or reports don't match. A simple data dictionary table fixes this. Customer ID, unique across all systems, so there's zero ambiguity. Customer name, standardized to letters only, keeping inputs clean and consistent. Sign update, clearly defined format, preventing reporting or integration errors. This table becomes a single source of truth. Every team knows exactly what each field means, how to use it, and where it comes from, reducing mistakes, saving time, and protecting data quality. Pro tips for your data dictionary. Keep it simple. Don't overload it with details no one will use. Update it regularly. Treat it as a living document, not a forgotten PDF. Collaborate widely. Get input from developers, testers, analysts, and stakeholders to keep definitions accurate. And use templates. A clean, ready-to-go table saves time and keeps everything consistent. So, to wrap up, a data dictionary standardizes your data, reduces confusion, and ensures everyone speaks the same language. Start small, document what's critical, and let it grow as your project evolves. Next up, we'll dive into the glossary technique, perfect for making sure everyone understands your business terms. See you then.